Alright, so now that we have our kitchen table done, we're thinking of doing a little something different and putting a family stamp on it. So I got a new material. It's a TPU for my 3D printer, and so I'm gonna try that out. It's a little bit flexible. It's like a kind of like a rubber. So I'm gonna print a family stamp, and we're going to put some paint on it and put it on the cross beam in the middle. Now it's all printed out. This test one, we're going to go ahead and test it out, see how it works with just this name template. We're going to just put some spray paint on that we're going to use, and I'll put it on this piece of wood and see how it turns out. It looks pretty good. So we'll go ahead and redo this with our family name and put it on our table.